What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today with another installment of my Dare to Dream video series. In this series, I take a look at shoes that aren't as commonly seen on YouTube, including high heat releases from the past and present, and shoes that just have a special meaning in sneaker history. So today, we'll be taking a closer look at the Air Jordan 12 collaboration with PSNY on this dark gray colorway. PSNY, for those who haven't heard of them before, stands for Public School New York, and they're a streetwear label founded in New York City. And throughout the past few years, they've collaborated many times with Nike and Jordan brand, but my personal favorite public school collaboration of all time has to be these Jordan 12s. The Air Jordan 12 in general is a very special shoe to me. It was actually the first Air Jordan shoe I ever got, so when I was a kid still in elementary school, I got a pair of the playoff Air Jordan 12s, which luckily are retroing once again this year, and I broke them out for my elementary school basketball tournament. So needless to say, even though I don't have too many pairs of Air Jordan 12s in my collection right now, it's still and forever will be a very special silhouette to me. So for these PSNY Jordan 12s, this released back on December 12th of 2015. Crazy to think that it's been over 6 years since these released, but time is flying. So this pair retailed for a very hefty $300 US, which is roughly 390 Canadian dollars, and the official colorway for this shoe is dark gray and black. So this is the very first PSNY and Air Jordan 12 collaboration, but then a couple years later in the summer of 2017, the two would connect once again, releasing 3 different colorways of the Air Jordan 12, one in a wheat color, one in Bordeaux or like a burgundy, and the third one in an olive green color. And those 3 shoes were supposed to represent the cities of New York City, Paris, and Milan. But this is just my humble opinion and feel free to disagree. I don't think any of those 3 colorways stand a chance against this original gray one. So diving straight into the details, the upper of the shoe for the most part is constructed out of a very high quality gray colored nubuck. And unlike your traditional Air Jordan 12s, where it's typically stitched, is actually molded into the nubuck itself, and they've really tried to eliminate as much stitching as they could on the upper. Overlaid on the bottom of the lateral side, we have another overlay of this smooth nubuck material. We have a smaller overlay on this side as well. Running across the upper portion of the rest of the shoe, again it's done in this molded nubuck finish. And then the second from the top and third from the top eyelets, this is constructed out of this matte gray TPU. Running down the center of the back heel, unlike your traditional Air Jordan 12 which has a nylon pull tab, this one in contrast feels like it's constructed out of a synthetic leather, and then debossed throughout, we have Air Jordan branding. Underneath this, carved out of the midsole itself, we have Michael Jordan's number 23. Turning our attention back to the front of the shoe, these come with their standard rope style laces done in the same tonal gray colored finish. Underneath this, the tongue is also constructed out of nubuck, but unlike your traditional 2-3 branding that's found on your other Air Jordan 12s, this one instead has the letters PSNY. And at the very top, we have a Jumpman logo embossed in the center. On the bottom of the midfoot, we have this TPU overlay done in the same gray colored finish, and embossed across it we have Jumpman branding. Hanging off the shoe, they also give you this leather hang tag as well. We have PSNY branding on one side and the Jumpman logo on the other side, and this adds to the whole luxurious and premium feel of this shoe. So the back of the tongue and the interior liner of the shoe is done in this very soft, very high quality gray colored leather. And then moving on to the insoles, these come with their standard foam lined insole. It's done in this gray colored finish, and we have public school branding stamped on the heel. So the upper of the Air Jordan 12 sits atop this full length Phylon foam midsole. On the forefoot, we have this textured basketball-like finish to it, and the midsole is entirely painted in the same gray finish which matches the color of the upper. Encapsulated within the shoe but not visible to the eye, there's a full-length Zoom Air unit for cushioning, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your standard Air Jordan 12 outsole. So this is constructed out of this gray colored rubber. We have these herringbone style traction pods on the forefoot and the back heel, and on the top we have the Jumpman logo and the number 23. And then visible through these cutouts in the middle, we have a carbon fiber shank plate as well, and this helps with torsional rigidity and midfoot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these PSNY Air Jordan 12s. And for those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. These guys are a size 10. And I'd say for this shoe, and like most of your other Air Jordan 12s, you can stick true to size, or if you want more of a snug one-to-one fit, you can also go a half size down as well. Unless you have really wide feet, then you definitely want to stick true to size. So that pretty much breaks down all I have to say about these PSNY Air Jordan 12s. As far as non-OG colorways go for the Jordan 12 silhouette, this might not be for everyone, but it's a very premium, very elevated and sophisticated take on the Jordan 12 silhouette. But I can understand if you find this a little bit boring or a little bit lacking, considering it's basically just an all gray shoe. However, I think the quality definitely speaks for itself. And I don't know, there's just something about this shoe. It just screams luxurious to me. And to me, it kind of reminds me of like a sculpture of the Air Jordan 12 has come to life. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this PSNY Air Jordan 12 in this debut dark gray colorway. Of all the 4 PSNY Jordan 12s to release, how do you rank these ones compared to the other 3? And what are your general thoughts about this colorway? Is it something you guys are a fan of? Do you find it a little bit too boring? Either way, let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on my Instagram page at esco8. Check me out on Twitter as well at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this installment of my Dare to Dream video series, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.